Hi, we're glad that you're thinking about becoming a GBAC STAR Service Provider. You're probably wondering how the process works. First, you have to complete the application found on this webpage and make your first payment. After that, it's time to start the process of completing your application for accreditation. Your first task is to make sure that 5% of your workforce take the online fundamentals course to become GBAC trained technicians. As an ISSA member, you will receive a significant discounted rate, allowing you to purchase each course for $75 instead of the standard rate of $300. If you're not an ISSA member, we welcome you to join by following the link on this webpage, or you can purchase each of the courses at the standard rate of $300. As your staff begin to take the GBAC Fundamentals course, you also must begin preparing your documentation. You will receive the accreditation handbook as well as many other helpful resources to use along the way. After preparing your documentation, it is then sent to the GBAC review team. The review team will ensure that the processes described in the documentation uphold the highest standard of cleaning, disinfection, and infectious disease prevention. Once all the documentation is in place, you will receive an approval letter and you will become part of the GBAC family. We hope that you decide to join the GBAC family. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at gbacsstarservice@issa.com. We look forward to hearing from you soon.